Yeah, hi, this is Attorney John Martin. Today I wanted to address a legal issue, actually, in this video. But it cuts across many different lines, actually, in legislatures and in the court system. It's a subject called conscientious objector. It's a legal term that most people are not too familiar with. The general public doesn't really know too much about what it is. But if you're in the legislature or you're in the court system of some form, you would definitely know what the conscientious objector is. So let me try to, in a brief video here, explain what conscientious objector is and how it affects the legal process. First, conscientious objector is someone who is generally a third party, a witness in a court case, or could be a witness in testimony, sworn testimony to a legislature, such as sworn testimony to a legislative committee. They provide objection to a certain material, inclusion of a certain material in the record, and objection to through the process. They object to what it is based on their own bias. A lot of times it's with their own bias involved, which means their own opinion counts more to the process that they believe than what it actually really does. So basically, you're objecting based on your own conscience and not really on the facts at hand, the matter of the subject. It's more of a political statement, but it's a legal statement combined. They're wrapped together, actually. Many courts have tackled this particular part of law and tried to define what conscientious objector means. I think I'm just going to go with the Supreme Court SCOTUS statement. SCOTUS has clearly defined what conscientious objector is, where it's an objection to a particular part of the law, where from a outsider's point of view. And it can be in some cases, it can be a material witness who objects in a court case, but cannot provide substantiated evidence to prove it. That can also be another part of what a conscientious objector is. It's more, as I stated, it's more of an opinion from the person who is objecting to the law or objecting to the rule, as it is in a legislative process, or in also in testimony to a legal committee in a legislature. So it's a short little expose of what conscientious objector is. Excuse me. I know I'm going to get a lot of variety of different conscientious opinions about this video, but here I tried to explain a little bit about what it is, and it could also, there's another factor too, it could also be based on race, gender, creed, and religion that objection is coming from. And also gender too, gender bias, whether it be male, female, or transgender, or whatever. It's still an opinion that is a consciously given opinion based on no substantiated facts. and that's in general. All right. I wanted to give a little bit of expose today because I had fielded a couple of questions about what this is, and as an attorney, I want to talk about a little bit about it. Thank you. Have a good day now.